babes, so welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I am Sugar. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the bell so you know when I'm putting up new content. And today we are going to be doing a bare bones install on the hair that you see right here. If you are into this, if you are really into this hair and this install, keep watching because that's what we're going to be doing today in this video. So let's go.
One thing that got me tripping is this one thing that got me tripping. It did this one thing you saw made me feel it. Is this one thing you did?
Okay guys, this is straight out the pack. As you can see, it's a brownie color with a blonde streak going down the front on both sides. Let me take the packaging out. So on the inside, this is a 13 by 6 wig. So it has a little bit around the rim, but the bulk of the lace is going to be in the middle portion, and it is a full 6 inches back. And you have your 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, and the adjustable straps. So pretty standard, nothing crazy. She is pretty long, and the caramel piece does not go all the way down. It's kind of layer length. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and put this on. I'm gonna go ahead and probably cut off the lace, and then we're gonna install it. Okay, you guys, I just finished cutting off the lace. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has a really white cast. Like, it is very, very light for my skin tone. So what we're gonna do is put just a little bit of foundation on there because that is just way too light. Hey babies, so I'm gonna be coming in here and there because my audio did get affected in some areas of this video. So I'm just showing that right here I take my 355 Coconut Fit Me foundation, and I just take it on a foundation brush and rub it all over the lace, front to back, get it on the sides. Really make sure you cover that hairline. This is to get rid of that white, really noticeable cast that sometimes transparent lace can give. This is a major step of making your wig look really scalpy. And I put on maybe 2 to 3 layers depending on how long I want it to stay on, but really it doesn't matter. You can do 1 layer if you like, and it can still stay on a really long time. Okay guys, so it's set here for a few minutes. We're gonna take it off. Let's see what we got. Okay, it's not bad. Okay, so now what I usually do is any baby hairs or anything like that. So now I always start like in this area, and I do like a little U kind of shape. So now I'm just going in with a flat concealer brush, and I'm using my Pro Touch Full Cover Concealer by Kiss, and it is in the shade Warm Coconut. And this concealer matches my skin really well, so it just kind of blends my forehead into my scalp seamlessly. And I also, in a minute, you'll see that I use it around the hairline, in between the natural separation of the hairs, and maybe where I've parted off baby hair, just to kind of enhance it and melt everything together. Here you're going to see me going with my B&B setting for my flyaways, and after this step you will want to tie it down again. Do not forget to hot comb, hot comb, hot comb. This is the last major step to making your wig lay to absolute perfection. I enjoyed this, y'all. I look cute. This is a cute wig. And I did the most basic install I could. You know, not a lot of baby hair, no plucking, just a little foundation and concealer on the lace, hot comb, and that's it. Like, this is great for somebody that's not really into color like myself. This is really nice, you guys. Like, it's not too much. It still looks cute, sexy, and classy. You can really wear this wig anywhere and it would be okay. I really do love this wig. I have to say too that I think that this deserves a ball cap method if you have the know-how of doing that. The next time I put it on, I might do something like that, or if I buy another one of these wigs, I think I might do the ball cap method. It is very worthy. The part is very deep. I love when my wigs have a deep part in them. Let's see. We got parting over here as well. The parting goes as far as, where does it go? Right there, I do believe. So this is where the track starts. So if you like a side part, you will get a decent side part out of the deal. I just love a really versatile wig like this. This wig comes down to my hip bones. I am 5'3", so yeah, girl, yes. This is just really, really cute. When I combed it out, this is all the shedding I got, which was phenomenal. And I actually combed it out with my little detangling comb. Usually I tear down through it with that brush trowel, but I went ahead because I was just like, it's so cute, the pattern that's in it. I don't want to brush that out too much because it's not a lot of pattern, it's just something to give it a little spark, you know. So I went ahead and combed it out. The hair feels great. It is a silkier texture, but it feels really good. I like this color a lot, you guys. So go ahead and hit the like button because I know you like the video. Okay, and that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for clicking on and watching the video with me doing this install. I really enjoyed, you guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next one.